my favorite SD card for the GoPros. The SanDisk Extreme Pro, I think that the speed of it is just perfect for, you know, that 4K 120 or any of the high resolutions, and just keeping it from heating up. It reads, it writes fast, and that's very important when you're using your GoPro. I did one time, I owned SanDisk Extreme Pro and never had any problems. And then I was like, well, I'll try another one. The one that came with it was the brown one, just the Extreme. And it was freezing. It was locking up all kinds of corrupt files and things like that. So I was like, nope, never again. Switched back. Never had any problems with it. So a lot of people, you know, they get worried about it. Which SD card to get? It's a very highly looked up question on like Google search. And so there you have it. That is that's the one.